Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, estoy bien. Okay, so welcome to Extra Languages and hoy haremos la lección 3. Ok, ¿vale? Y en esta lección aprenderás las cosas relacionadas con tu casa. Now, what I'm saying is, hoy haremos la lección 3. Today we'll do the lesson 3. Y en esta lección, in this lesson, aprenderás, you'll learn las cosas relacionadas con tu casa, which will relate your house's things. Okay. Now, hogar, dulce hogar. It means dulce, we have a sweet. Home, my sweet home. It says home, sweet home. Hogar, dulce hogar. Now, repetir, por favor. Hogar, dulce hogar. It means sweet home. Okay, we can say empezar because we already have done a lot of things for empezar. You know, empezar, we have verb to start. Viviendas, eso es que we have housing. Now, mira estos anuncios de viviendas. You look the housing ads, anuncios de viviendas. You look these housing ads. ¿Qué casa te gusta más? Which house you like most? ¿Por qué and why? El chalet, la casa de campo, la casa in pueblo. It means la casa de campo, we have, you know, the cottages, I can say. La casa en el pueblo, we have village houses, pueblo. El piso, the flooring. La casa adosada, we have the semi-detached houses. Okay. El estudio, we have the studio apartment. Now over here, say, so we have to read entire thing over here. Alquila, we have rent. So say alquila habitación, we have room. So you have a rental room in un piso compartido, in a sharing apartment. Piso compartido, piso we have, you know, the floor, and compartido, a rental, a sharing floor. In Palma de Mallorca, maybe in the place, this name I can say, precio 250, we can say 250 euro al mes by month. Okay, because you already have done the countings. Now, a mí, la que más me gusta es el chalet en Empu Ria Brava, porque es muy grande. Now he's saying, a mí, I like, a mí, la que más, it means for me, I like the most is el chalet in Impu Ria Brava. So it is something like a big, you know, the what I would say, the houses, villas, I would say. Porque es muy grande, because it's very big. Pues yo prefiero el estudio porque. Then I prefer the studio porque, because. Is it clear to you? Now what I'm saying is, now repeat after me. A mí, la que más me gusta es el chalet en Empuria Brava. It means for me, I like the most, we have the most the villas, porque es muy grande, because it's very big. Pues then, yo prefiero el estudio. Then I prefer the studio apartment. Porque, because why? Okay, is it clear to you? Now we have, ¿en qué tipo de casa vives ahora? It means in which house. ¿En qué tipo de casa, in which house you live now? Tú vives now. Ahora bien now. Has vivido en otro tipo de casa alguna vez? It means, I'm saying, have you ever lived in other type of the houses? Has vivido, because we have the conjugation to has vivido. Have you lived in otro tipo de casa, in other type of the house? Alguna vez, maybe sometimes, right? So now this is a question basically. Okay, ¿en qué tipo de casa vives ahora? In what type of the houses you live now? ¿Has vivido en otro tipo de casa alguna vez? Maybe have you ever lived in other type of the houses? Okay, now over here we have read those things. Yo ahora vivo en un piso compartido. Yes, I live in a sharing apartment, pero viví en una casa varios años. Viví, we have preterite, but I lived in a house for several years. Pero viví, we have preterite, y, este, o, viví, vivir verb. So what is the preterite of vivir verb? yo viví. So I can say, pero viví en una casa de varios años. It means, but I lived in a house of several years. Yo siempre he vivido en una casa. But yes, yo siempre, I always lived in a house. Is it clear to you? Now over here we have campo, say alquila campo, casa de campo in Altia, maybe the name of the place, the rental of the casa de campo, the camping basically. Casa de campo, we have the cottage. Okay, so we have the precio, the price is 900 euro al mes, is 900 euros by the month. Clear? Now you have en esta unidad, vamos a, in this unit, you are going to do, what you're going to do, we have amueblar una casa y diseñar una vivienda. It means furnish a house and design a home. This thing you to learn in this chapter. Okay, now we have recursos comunicativos. We have the resources of communications. Expresar gustos y preferencias, describir una casa, comparar, expresar coincidencia, ubicar objetos en el espacio, describir objetos. A lot of things we have. What is ubicar? Locate the objects in a space. Ubicar objetos, that's a new vocab for you. Ubicar objetos en el espacio. We have locate the object in a space. Now over here we have, the recursos gramaticales. We have, the grammar resources. We have preposiciones comparativos. Sin, con, sin we have without, con we have with, debajo we have down, encima we have top, detrás, delante. Okay, so detrás we have behind and delante we have in front of. In frente I can use in the front of. Okay, is it clear to you? Now we have el mío, el mía, tuo, tua, el suo, sua. This thing we have to learn this. Okay, verbos, the verb we have gustar, encantar, y preferir. Okay, so let's read this first. Over here, say what I can say. Say vende. Now vender is my verb to sell. We have done this, right? Vender. Now repeat after me. Vender is my verb to sell. Repeat after me. Vender. Is it clear to you, my team? Okay. Now I'm saying, se vende casa en Almagro. Maybe is the name of the place. That selling a house. Ciudad, we have a city, Real. Now over here we have obviously 150 meters square. I can say 150 metros cuadrados. Is it clear to you? Now we have a price of 60,000 euros. Now over here, because we already have done the countings, right? So you tell me what we called. Yes, what we called for. Now if I ask to you, if I ask the person over here, because now for example, if you're in Spain, right? Okay, and if you will say, what is the price of 60,000 rupees, 60,000 euro? Now yes, we have 60. Is it clear to you? We have 60,000 euros, 60,000. Yes, 60, we have 60. Is it clear to you, my team? Sí, señor. Clear? So 60, what to say 60,000? Repeat after me. Repeat, por favor, 60,000. I can say 60,000 euros. 60,000 euros. Now over here we have say alquila chale en Empuria Brava. Now chale we have, the villas, a rental villas, okay, in 300 meters square. I would say 300 metros cuadrados meter square. And precio we have 3,000, which I can say the precio, the price is 3,000 euros al mes. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Because see, we have to read the language out. Is it clear to you? Now, encantar, we have verb to love, preferir, my verb to prefer. Okay. Now, over here we have say vende, the selling of studio. se vende estudio in Barcelona capital. We have 40 meters square. I can say 40 because we already have done the counting, right? 40 metros cuadrados, right? And we have precio 180,000 euro. I can say 1,80,000 euros. Is it clear to you? Now, se vende casa adosada en Pelicross, which is 270 meters square. So I can say 70. Then we have metres cuadrados. Is it clear to you? And we have 250,000 euro. I get 250,000. 250,000. Is it clear to you, my team? Now over here we have a second page. Now, ahora, see, listen to my conversation. Ahora pase a la página. Pase a la página siguiente. What I'm saying. Now you have to go for to pass the next page, please. I'll say, okay, let's move on the next page. Now, for example, in English, let's move the next page, please. Ahora pase a la página siguiente. Is it clear to you? Now, over here we have promociones inmobiliarias. Inmobiliarias, we have real estate. Comprender is we already have done some work to understand, right? Now we have promociones, we have promotions. Inmobiliarias, repeat por favor, because obviously this is a big vocab, but we have to understand. Inmobiliarias, we have, real estate, right? So, okay, vale, ahora promociones inmobiliarias, we have the real estate. Now, en un postal inmobiliario aparecen estos anuncios de pisos y casas de alquiler. What I'm saying over here. I'm saying in this real estate portal, en un portal inmobiliario. Now, promociones inmobiliarias en un portal inmobiliario aparecen. Aparecen, we have to appear, to feel like, to seem like. Is it clear to you? Aparecen in this real estate portal, you feel, you see, you seems to be estos anuncios, this announcement of the floor de pisos and the houses of the rent, y casas de alquiler. Alquiler is my verb to rental. Is it clear to you? Lee el anuncio del chalet. You have to read the announcement of the villas y observa el plano, and you have to observe the plan y identificas algunas partes de la casa, and you have to identify some parts of the houses. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now, one thing you have to understand, this is basically a announcement, because we are doing over here promociones inmobiliarias. We have a promotion real estate, gran oportunidad. Basically, we have a great opportunity. Gran oportunidad, we have a great opportunity. We have chalet de nueva construction. We have a big new construction of the villa, I can say. Okay. Now over here, because we have a counting 367, I can say 367 metros cuadrados. If we have 250, I can say 250 jardín, dos plantas, garaje de dos plazas. We have 2 cars, I can say the parking, the garage of the 2 cars. We have recibidor, we have a hall. Okay, then we have despacho, we have office. Okay, 3 baños. Okay, we have lavadero, we have laundry. Cocina, we have kitchen. Salo comedor, we have a living room. Salo comedor there. Okay, we have 60, we have 60. Okay, metro we have a meter square, I can say metros cuadrados. Vale. We have teresa, the terrace of, what is to say 40, we have 40. Okay, we have 5 habitaciones, we have the 5, I can say, the rooms. Okay, then we have trastero. Trastero, basically we use for a storage room. Trastero a sala de juegos. We have we have a, the playing room, I can say. Sala de juegos. We have fantásticas vistas. We have fantastic views. Is it clear to you? Now over here, uh, we have exactly otras ofertas. We have the other offers. Okay, so these other offers I want that we can do in the next chapter. Okay, so what I will do is you have to read this very carefully. It will help you out, obviously. So repeat a lot of things. Now, for example, we have the what to say real estate in Spanish. I can say inmobiliarias. Okay, villas. You have to you have to, there's a read, and we have villas. Chale y observa el plan. You have to observe the plan. Identificas algunas partes de la casa. So you have to repeat each and everything. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to share a video of this chapter, obviously, and from otras ofertas we'll do this. From this I will send you the next video also. So we'll obviously in the next session we'll do this. Okay, so by the time you have to work hard, watch this video and it will help you out. Okay, so take care. Bye bye.